The Malia Cow Award was created to recognize Kumu Hula, who are keepers of our culture. It is my great pleasure to introduce this year's awardee, respected founder and Kumu of Halau Hula Olana, Olana Ai.
This award is being presented to me, but in actuality, I receive it for all of the dancers, children, the musicians, and their families that came to support. And we just all gathered there. Every time we just did that. It was like it was supposed to be. It was such a wonderful honor, and it was so comfortable and so different. Just to be there, you can feel how much it means to us. My mother is my teacher. Her mother was her teacher, but not formally, because my grandmother came from Maui, where she learned hula as a youngster. But because it was kapu hula, and my grandmother is so superstitious, she would not share it. She kept the word, and it was kapu hula, so she didn't just teach it outside. But my mother had this desire to dance from when she was very young. And because she showed such a talent for it and such an interest for it, my grandmother had to show her. And that's the basis of our halau, is the teaching, the basic steps. And then everything else, like every halau, is influenced by what's going on, by their contemporary times, their ancient times, and just nature. You learn how to do a bird motion many ways because you feel differently every time you see a bird in flight. You just have that rush. And so I wasn't held to doing this motion that way, doing this expression that way. So I was kind of free with that. And I was lucky that my grandmother appreciated it and my mother appreciated it. And so it's not that I'm going to last forever, but I want to do all I can to make sure our hula lasts forever.